practicing heels? Maybe. I'll practice too. I'll practice too. I can do it. Y'all can do it.
Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a
This part should be easy overall. So don't complicate it. Any questions? Wait, where we fall? Hey, I'm sorry. You better be like this. Damn. You better make it look cute. Damn. And then get up. Hey, y'all.
So when they're walking on, should they be looking at the crowd or facing the back of each other?
They should be facing the back of each other's heads. Imani,
We ask this question every single time. We know we're facing this way. We're looking this way. That's the program. How many times? No, it's not. I promise it's not. I promise it's not.
so up, bend your knees down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay.
I don't know why one part is killing me.
I think everything else is pretty good. Just add more personality and be more comfortable.
Yeah.
Like, don't be super like.
I feel like it was like perfectly placed.
I want the energy through the fingertips.
Yes, through the fingertips. They should be growing.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
When you make mistakes, don't stop. Like, just keep going, because I'm not even going to notice you mess up until you stop like that.
We are jumping jacks. Because that's the habit we're trying to break.
Yeah, we're trying to break that.
Because, no. If you do that on stage, I'm going to drop kick you. Literally, I'm being honest.
How does everyone feel in their outfits?
I feel cute.
Yes.
Do we like the black and red combo?
I actually do. I'm happy.
I love it. It's so sexy, though. Like, imagine the lights. Like, the butts are finna be popping. Yeah.
So confidence is no substitute, but it's a result of proper preparation. And trust and believe me that we are properly prepared. Every day that we've been in here, that we've been in the UC, has been daily deposits. Saturday, we cash the check. It's no nerves. It's no being nervous. You should be excited to come in and get your money.
And as Taylor says, like the number 8.
Let's get the money! Boy, if you
1, 2, 3.
CLG.
CG4L.
The bag is secured. Can you tell us where your fit's from?
This is from Ross. These pants are from H&M. And these shoes are actually from Amazon.
Nice.
Fit is from JCPenney's. Marshalls, and yeah.
Cute. Where'd you get your fit from?
This is a Calvin Klein suit.
Period.
This is Calvin Klein. It's Calvin Klein, and the shoes, I'm not quite sure. My mom bought them. The shoes actually thrifted.
Yes. No way! Yeah. Those are so cute, though. I love that.
It's really good together.
Imani, we will get back to you. Your dress. Get back to you. Yes, last but not least, contestant number 1. Yeah. Where's the fit? Where's the fit from?
Shoes, Steve Madden. Pants are Pretty Little Thing, and then the shirt is from H&M.
Yes, ma'am.
No one's over there.
Like, I think an hour till the pageant starts.
Right.
Nails on the bus. Oh, round and round.
What this is a diamond. 3 things that make a diamond: time, heat, and pressure. If you have a piece of coal in your hand, enough time, heat, and pressure turns to a diamond. You get a diamond, you cash out. You feel me?
Yes.
CLG on 3. 1, 2, 3.
CLG.
Let's do it.
CG4L.
Introducing the certified lover girl.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back? 'Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
With love and respect, thank you for that.
'Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, yeah, oh, for me.
Further ado, introduce.
What the hell is even that?